You ever wonder why there was a particular change in your life? What do I mean? I mean, to feel yourself, you need to stretch, foam roll, do physical therapy, corrective exercises to feel almost normal. So why does the tension, aches and pains, why do they keep coming back? The answer might surprise you. You've been treating the symptoms, not the source. Here's what most people don't understand. Your muscles don't control themselves. They're like light bulbs. They can only do what the electrical system tells them to do. Traditional therapy focuses on the bulb, stretching tight muscles, strengthening weak ones, but if there's a wiring that's faulty, you can do all the changes that you want, the light is still not going to work. Your nervous system is that electrical system. It controls muscle tension, movement patterns, and pain responses through reflexes. Let me give you a real example. A client came in today. She had upper back tension. She'd had it for years. Why do you think that's been going on? I asked her. My posture. Maybe that makes symptoms worse, but there's a trauma from somewhere in her history that was causing this effect. Maybe it was a car accident, a fall, a surgery, or a sprained ankle. Your nervous system creates a protective response. Certain muscles tighten to guard the injury, and that's normal and helpful to a point. But when that reflex gets stuck, here's what happens. Your ankle stays restricted, your knee compensates, your hip shifts, your lower back takes the extra load, and now you have back pain from an ankle injury. You stretch your back, you strengthen your core, but the original dysfunction, that stuck reflex in your ankle, never got addressed. We need to trace back through your nervous system to find the primary dysfunction, the first in the domino that started it all. If your check engine light is on, you don't just cover the light, you go and find what triggered it. By fixing the root cause and the sensory dysfunction, we can resolve multiple problems and all the branches from the same tree. I've seen shoulder pain that could come from old ankle sprains, and once we reset the ankle, the shoulder pain disappeared, sometimes even without treating the shoulder. If traditional therapy hasn't helped you, it might be time to take a deeper look at the system controlling everything. Hit subscribe to learn more about how your nervous system might be the missing piece.